Want a quick way to activate or end sleep mode without swiping through menus? On your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can set the side button to do it for you. Just double press. To do so, go to setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap side button. Next, tap double press. Turn it on if it's not already. Select mode and routine. Tap the settings icon next to it. Under mode section, select the desired mode you want to launch. As this sample, we will select sleep mode. Now, anytime you double press the side button like this, your phone will either start or end sleep mode depending on the current status. It's a fast and simple way to stay on top of your routine, especially when you are ready for bed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.